yeah, other state, we only we cannot speak Hindi, then we have to communicate in English. So we want to speak very fluently.
Okay, that's good. So you cannot speak Hindi little bit,
Little bit I can speak, but not
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 much,
fluently,
not much.
not much, not much.
You understand Hindi? If I speak Hindi, can you understand?
Yeah, I can understand something.
What about means? Can you answer?
Yes, sir. I will
Like
try.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम जॉन साइसर है.
So आप क्या काम करते हैं?
हम फार्मिंग करते हैं अभी.
You can speak Hindi as well, I think. Yeah, okay. So how is your farming means? Is it good? Means
Yes, sir.
so what do you grow there in your farming?
Yeah, we are growing that vegetables, no? Cabbage, like radish, gajar, and cauliflowers. Everything, tomato also we are planting, we are growing.
Okay. So is it organic, farming or do
Yeah,
you
yeah. Organic farming.
okay, do you use some chemicals and all these to grow your crops?
No, no. We use that how to say the organic composer, no?
Okay. So is it good for
We do not use fertilizer also any other things.
yeah, you are not using fertilizers.
Yeah.
Okay, so the vegetables you are growing,
Yeah.
is it good for health?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. So why do you go to other state in India for business purpose?
Yeah. Being an Indian, we want to roam, no? Any state
No,
also,
no, no.
and sometimes.
I don't mean to ask you like that. I am asking that
Yes.
definitely you are means having your farm in Manipur, you are growing your vegetables, and I think you supply these vegetables in Manipur itself. So
Yes, sir.
why do you need to travel other states in India? For business purpose or for some other purpose?
For business also, and when we become illness, na, in Manipur is not good. In hospital also, we want, if you want to go Assam also, we can go, na. So we have to speak very fluently English also, to communicate each other.
How many states in India have you been to?
Now, only one, I think, two, Dimapur and Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Oh,
Yes, sir.
this is North India. Yeah, yeah. So, what do you think? What is the situation in Manipur now? Means, has the peace been established there, or still the problems are there?
Now, the peace is not still. Now some two communities are now, they cannot go, and other side also, even in valley, also the cookies not cannot come in cannot enter Manipur and Falna, and the Metais also, they cannot cross the where the inhabitants of Kuki. So still now we are not in peace.
Okay. Still, you think problem is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think? What is the role of the local government and central government? Means, are they really trying to establish peace and harmony in Manipur?
Yeah. The both central and state government is not working now. The central government handle the two communities which is fighting, and there is conflict among them. They talk each other. To talk, they cannot talk each other, not two communities. So Indian government, under the home ministry, I think they have talked one time also.
So, why these two communities fight? What
I
is
don't know.
what is the main cause? Why they are fighting? They have been fighting for long.
Yeah,
So, what is the
already
reason?
2 years they are fighting. I think they misunderstanding to each other. No?
So, do you think that it can be the peace can be established there in coming future?
Yes, sir. Peace can be established because they need to talk whether what both communities with third person, what others want and what to do and what to not to do. They have to agree. They have to make agreement to two communities.
So these two communities, are they involved in politics also?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. But definitely I pray to God
Yes, sir.
to help or to means guide people to go on that way to establish peace and harmony in Manipur,
Yes,
because
sir.
the situation is really very bad there, and all the citizens, I think, of India, they wish that there should be some peace and harmony, because we all are human beings, and we have come here on this earth to do
Yeah.
something good for humanity, for society, for our family, for the country. And ultimately everybody has to go from here. That is
Yes.
the truth, that everybody has to go from here to heaven.
Yes, sir.
Nobody is going to stay here for the for very long.
Yeah.
So why should we fight? I think we should be in harmony and peace. We should help each other, I think. Well,
Yeah. They should think that they come nothing. They brought nothing. When we go to heaven, we will not take nothing.
we will not take anything, or we take nothing. Don't say don't take
Yeah.
nothing. Don't take nothing. Two negatives are there. Don't and nothing. You should say we take nothing with us, or we don't take anything. This is the correct sentence.
We take nothing.
Yes, we take nothing, or we don't take anything from here.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
I am 36 years old.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Do you have children?
I have three children, two boys and one girl.
Okay. So two means you have got two boys and a girl, mean daughter.
That's right, sir.
Yeah, so she's too young. Means what about daughter? Daughter, she doesn't go to school.
Now she is studying in class 8.
Oh, and
And
your sons?
my youngest, elder, my youngest son study in class 10.
You have two sons, so younger and elder, not youngest. Youngest means
Yeah.
youngest means
Elder one.
when you have more than two, that time youngest or eldest. But if there are two, elder or younger.
Elder son one finished fourth semester, BA fourth semester, and younger one is now they are given class 10 board exam.
He has taken, not given.
He has taken.
Given means I am giving you class, you are taking. Because you are student, you are taking. I am giving as a teacher, you are taking as a student. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to begin our webinar, but as I saw you on the screen, so I thought to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Of course you are eager to interact with me. So you came before time. It's good. Actually, we have got time to talk to each other.
Yes, sir.
Because in webinar, otherwise, there may be several students. So we won't have much time to talk with each other. Okay. So what do you think that you should learn English? Speaking, I think you need to learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Means what is your what should be your focus to learn? Means speaking, reading, writing, what, or all, grammar and all, everything you want to learn, or just you want to focus on speaking?
I want to focus in speaking because when we speak English now, while we speak English, what a loss. My problem is when we speak English, the word cannot memorize. No?
Okay. Means you when you speak, you forget what to speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the matter of practice,
Yeah.
So you speak that language. Manipuri is spoken there in Manipur. Manipuri is your mother tongue.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you forget words in Manipuri when you speak Manipuri?
No.
You know why? You know why? Because you were brought in a family where Manipuri was spoken, and that's why you learned Manipuri.
Yes.
And now you can speak Manipuri fluently without even thinking. Right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So similarly, if you practice English speaking, the more you speak, the better you can speak. So it means practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So you need practice, that's all. You have to polish up your fluency. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we are just talking, and we'll begin webinar, and at the end of the webinar you must stay until it ends. Okay? So
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you about my courses later
Yes, sir.
after the webinar.
Okay, sir.
And one of my students will also join that webinar, and
Yes, sir.
he has already actually joined my classes also,
Mm-hmm.
but today he is coming and I want him to introduce you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So